Hello everyone, this is Frank from Shenzhen Kinan Technology Company Ltd. We are a KVM switch manufacturer and we bring our latest products, Matrix LCD KVM console. It's now this product supports 8 ports, 16 ports, and can control 16 pieces for one console, and this one can also support one remote user and a local user. It will be a very easy way for remote user to control this device, to control the PCs. I think this product will be welcomed in the future and now. And if you want to know more about this product, please visit our website www.szkinan.com. Thank you.